Hello and good morning, everyone. Well, it's morning here. And you might be wondering, why do I have a purple package on the desk? Well, I have joined a swap hosted by Kateri's Crafty Ideas Facebook group. And the challenge is Kateri's Crafty Ideas 5-item swap. So, what is it? Well, basically, it was a swap where we were to send 5 random items to someone we swapped, okay? And we don't know what these items are. Obviously, it's a secret. They're still in here. I haven't opened it. But the idea is that you have to create something with the 5 items that you were sent. Period. You have to use all of them. You can't just use 1 or 2. You have to use all 5 somehow to make something. You could use things like inks and paints and glues, obviously gesso, stuff like that, basics. But you cannot add your own stuff, as far as I know. So, anywho, I've accepted the challenge. I am going to do my very, very best. I cannot make promises because I have no idea what's in here and how I could possibly use them. But that's the idea, right? Is to challenge ourselves to see what on earth we could possibly come up with. So, you guys ready? I'm very nervous. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Because who knows what's in here? It could be anything. And, the challenge is, what do I do with it, right? What can we create? So, I'm going to share with you, and then I'm going to speed through the creation process. And as I mentioned, I'm going to link all the other folks that were in the swap so you can go check it out, as well as use the hashtag in your search bar so you can see what else anybody else has come up with. So, you guys ready? Oh dear. Okay, so Kelly from Kelly's Creative was my swap partner, and oh, I love Kelly, and but I'm so afraid. Here we go. Ready? Kelly, I hope you did something. Oh, okay. So far, so good. Good. Okay, pink paper with flowers. I can work with that. All right, Kelly. What else is in here? Okay, there's a letter. I'm going to open that in a second and read it. I'm going to find my 5 items. Oh, Lord, there's something hard plastic in here. Ooh, okay. It is a tube. One of those test tubes. Oh, this one's nice. Ooh, I like it. Okay. Okay, here we go. That's a tough one though. I feel. Oh, no, that's something else. Hang on. There's something else in here. Oh, it feels scratchy. Scratchy? Loofah! Cool! Ooh. See, these are some good things. Okay. And I feel something tiny and crinkly. Cupcake liner. Okay, we're good so far. I don't know what I could possibly create with this, but we're good. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Last but not least, a bottle cap. Oh, that's pretty. Let me put my glasses on. That's a beautiful bottle cap. Ooh, okay. And those are my 5 items. So, you guys wish me luck. I'm going to pause this, and then I'm going to think about it for a little bit, maybe over some tea, and I'll come back and see what we make. And here we have finished our project. You can see that I've used all 5 elements, and I'm showing you here what it would look like, fully completed. However, I did think that the background needed something, so I did add a little bit something extra, which is outside of the rules. But as you can see, I did show you the challenge was met. All 5 items were used in the making of the project, but I brought in a crackle stamp and some StazOn ink just because I thought the crackle would give it a little something. I did fade it out a little bit just because I wanted it to be very faint in the background. But here it is, and the challenge is complete. I hope you guys had a couple of laughs. Yeah, a couple of laughs along the way, that you see that, you know, it doesn't always have to be perfect, and it's okay to kind of go outside of our comfort level, which is what this challenge was meant to do. It was to give us things to work with that we wouldn't normally craft with, or maybe materials that we don't typically use. So again, thank you so much for joining us. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Hope you guys like it. Yes, thank you to Kateri for hosting the challenge. Thank you to Kelly for being my partner, and thank you guys for watching. Do leave us a comment. Let us know. Would you have done something different with it? What would you have done? Love to hear some feedback from you guys.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.